Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You having problems with critical values. Look like I just pulled up this example. Looks like you got the first two, but the third one gave you a little bit of problems here. So what is C? Determine the critical value for a two-tailed, I guess these were right and left-tailed, with a population mean at alpha equal 0.1, level significance based on the sample size of 16. Well, first thing, degrees of freedom is sample size minus 1, so 16 minus 1 is 15. So in this example, degrees of freedom, which is this column, is 15. So we're going to be looking across this row here. Now we just need to find the area in the right tail t distribution here. And so I clicked on this link, and that brought up this table here. So since it's a two-tailed test, you got to take alpha and divide it by 2. So you take 0.1 and divide it by 2, and you get 0.05. So I'm trying to draw a picture of what we have. We have a two-tailed test, and there's 0.05 in each tail. Now this table is gives you the area to the right, and so the area to the right, it'll give us this t value here. And so I go to 0.05. I come down here, cross it with the 15, I see 1.753. So this value here is 1.753, and by symmetry, I mean this one's going to be negative 1.753. So it's just going to be a plus and a minus of this one since it's a two-tailed test, which is what I see here. Hope this helps.